What's going on, y'all? How everybody doing? I hope y'all doing good today. Today we're gonna be changing out the brake pads, the rear and the fronts on this beautiful Sentra here. So I was gonna get the mass airflow sensor, but I had to throw that project off because I had to get the brake pads, because that is more important right now. The mass airflow sensor is not stopping the car right now, but that right there needs to be changed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that changed and put y'all on time lapse, me taking the tires, and also in this video I'm gonna rotate the tires. So pretty much these two tires in the back, well, hold up, I'll do it like this. So if you look, the tires in the front here, both of the two fronts are gonna come straight back to the back here. This tire is gonna go on the driver's side, and that tire on that side over there is gonna come up here on the passenger side. So I'll draw a little funny picture or whatever, put it on the diagram and stuff like that. That way y'all can see it. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with the rear brake pads and try to knock this out. As you can see, these are the rotors. Later on, I'm gonna have to come back and put them rotors on here. I already see that now. But them lugs was on here, man. They would give me a little trouble, but so change out these pads. I think it's either 10 millimeter or 14 millimeter here at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do, remove that bolt right there, loosen that up, and this caliper here, I'm just gonna flip the caliper up, and then I'm gonna compress the cylinder inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that part. Let me get my toolbox out. I can verify that for you if it's 14 millimeter or not. As you can see, that's the 14 millimeter. Let's see if it really is a 14 millimeter. Yep, it is a 14 millimeter. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, and we're gonna go from there with it. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, I got the bolt out finally. You know, I had no script on the back. It was a pain in the butt to get out, dude. So still got grease and everything on it. I still got the 14 millimeter socket on it. So I'm gonna, this is what I'm talking about, pulling it up. So I'm just gonna pull it up. I'm get ready to compress this. Lead brake pads right here. Let me go ahead and get them out real quick. This is the brake pad. Now y'all see why I said it was definitely an emergency. I did not want her driving this car and the brake pads are like that. Once you start hearing that skrrt or skeet noise, that's what it is. And let me, got them from AutoZone, Duralast brake pads. You got the front. You got the front and rear brake pads here. These was about $37 a piece. At the dealership, they're like $77. And yeah, I just wasn't cool with that. But you can see the Duralast. These are the basic Duralast brakes. As you can see, they come with these look like they are. It might be the fronts. These might be the fronts. Might be the back. Who knows? But yeah, those are definitely the backs. These right here are the fronts. As you can see, they're quite bigger. I got extra clamps in there if I need it. But the ones at the bottom are the backs, as you can see. let's do a side-by-side comparison with the back. Oops, I'm about to knock y'all over. Go ahead and open this up. Duralast is pretty good with their brakes and stuff like that. You get the gold brand. I think they come with some kind of warranty or something. Not sure exactly, but they come with something. But as you can see, I'm gonna put them side by side. That's what the pad should look like, and this is what the pad looked like compared to these. So you can see side by side profile, we pretty much on bare metal. So I'll go ahead and take this brake pad here out. It's not as bad as the front, but as you can see, it is bad. But I am gonna clean all this up real quick, so I'll put y'all on the time lapse, clean all this up. I should have got some brake cleaner, but I didn't. Compress this good old, how can I say, this cylinder inside here. So you want to just put your little brake pad right here. Get you a seat clamp. Alright, so as you can see right now, I'm trying to get y'all in a little closer. But you see I'm compressing that cylinder down now. Compress it all the way back in, and we remember before we do everything else, pressed it in a little bit too much, but try not to break these seals in there, so we'll have even more of a bigger problem. So I'm gonna clean all this up real quick, put y'all on time lapse, and we're gonna put these new brake pads in. As you can see, we got everything on there. Got both brake pads on each side. That ain't hit my phone. Got both brake pads on each side here, all lubed up. And they all in the slots where they should be. Push them down one more time. Just make sure they're in the right place. Drop that back down on there. Double check our brake pad one more time. Make sure they're still in the slot where they should be. Everything looks good. So we slap our caliper back on. Then once we do that, we'll get our bolt here. Hold up, gotta get that situated. I'm gonna have to put this phone down. Hold on. There you have it. I changed the rear brake pads on this side. I'm gonna do them on the rest of the car now. So I gave y'all a little quick video, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the car. I don't wanna run out of time. Alright, y'all. So here's our front pads. As you see, we did the same process that we did in the back. The fronts, they need to be changed also. As you can see right there, that's how much brake pad. I say about another month or so. Excuse me. They was gonna have to get changed regardless. As you can see, one side is good, the other side is a little bit lower than the other one. So we got the new ones here, like I said, the new one, old one. So man, sign is acting up. So I'm gonna go ahead and grease these up. Real quick and slap them back in there and rotate this tire.
This is a CountryBoyModz production.
They got a little late on me. Found a screw in one of the tires, so had to plug and patch that up. So I'm done with everything. I feel defeated right now. I'm gonna go ahead and pump these brakes, go test drive it real quick, and I'm calling it a night. Peace out, y'all. Take care.